Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today, why do I have a knife? No, it's not a knife. It's a blade. You may be wondering why I have a blade. I replaced stickers because I got custom trackmasters stickers. So I've just been replacing some new ones. Or replacing the old ones, that's how you can tell with the blade. Because they're old and worn. But yeah, I have just duck to do. I done Thomas, Edward, Gordon, and my LBSC Thomas, which I'll show in a video at some point. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the stickers on the GWR, then I'll be right back. And I am back. I did it. It looks so good than the old direct ones. But yeah, next I kind of already started on Ben. I replaced his nameplates. The next final parts are replacing these here because they're really sun-faded, and these ones too. The next it will be for Bill. Yep. I'll be back after when these are done. It has been a little bit. Did a custom truck. Face on a tanker, too. So yeah, I finished the stickers. Now I'm going to put them back on the shelf. And I'll be showing off what I did with those. And I am here on my train table. Been filming. But I'm going to stop because my iPad is at low percent right now. But faces. Yeah, so I added faces to some of my cars that I wanted to have faces on. Like for instance, this. I've been wanting to get a face for this one for quite some time. I'm going to do a bit of the detail, the silver handbars that make the door slide open. I've done two tankers, two the opposite way. There we go. Happy. Next, I also have this one. This one's actually a very old one. It came with a Luke, but no longer here. And then next is just a plain old box car. I'm going to keep it like this because vintage looking and original. And my custom one. I did the silver buffers and the silver parts around the part of the roof that make it hold up. Yeah. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this sticker video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.